His name's Kenyon, heavy equipment mechanic. Right shoulder cartilage loss. What I've tried, everything natural, stretching, hydration, living with it. Chose Regenix. I just happened to find the website through personal research. Outcome, 7 weeks later after the procedure, I'd say at least 70% improvement from the stem cell injections, PRP, coupled with the physical therapy also. And yes, I would 100% recommend Northwest Regenerative Medicine for anybody that's looking for an alternative to major surgery, and somebody that's also willing to do the work themselves to help supplement the procedure. Yeah, it's very encouraging and very happy.